Hello from a very cold, breezy day. These guys miss nothing. Hello. There you go. Dig in. And there's all the young'uns coming too. Sorry, you lot, you don't eat this stuff. But the ducks do. Once they realise there's not much in it, it's like, ugh. Oh, look at these guys. Lucky for you, I've got 2 bags. It's been a very, very quiet weekend. I've actually been rather lazy and not done much. But I thought since the weather's half decent, I'll take a walk down here. All these little white seabirds. Would you mind clearing off and letting the ducks and the swans get some food? Let them go! Yes, you too. There you go. You really have raised a big family this year. More? As I say, the seagulls and that, they aren't really interested in this stuff too much. If I had some old bread, they'd be going crazy right now. There you go, swans. Oh, there you go. Amazingly, I only seem to have attracted a couple of ducks, but I don't know if that's going to be famous last words because I can see movement over there. Oh, hold on. Oh, now. If they're growing, they're starting to get a lot of their white feathers through. Here come some more duckies. Ah. As I say, this is just a lazy Sunday, doing very little. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to take myself off to Starbucks for a coffee, I think. I spent yesterday helping a friend set up a new TV. That was about the stretch of my exciting weekend. Just when you thought the video was over, I went to Tesco to get a couple of things and I spotted a Bentley in the car park. Look at the size of it for a start. Wow. Don't see that every day. Well, I just thought I'd add that little bit on the end with the car. I couldn't get over seeing that. Very, very fancy. As I say, this has been a fairly quiet weekend. Apart from helping my friend, I haven't really done very much. I'm off to start making something for my dinner. I've got some stuff to throw together. And then I'll get all this edited. So, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.